always, raise your hand to answer questions and to ask questions. Anybody that blurts out, I'm going to go back and we're going to start over. What planet is this a picture of? Miss Baker.
Earth.
Miss Gaynor, can you please pass these out? Give one to the correct answer. So this is the planet Earth. Give me a verbal answer. So say yes or no to this question. Have you all been talking about the planet Earth in this class? Yes or no? Say it.
Yes.
So these are some questions that we're going to go over, Earth questions. And then we have some pictures. So I'm pointing some pictures. I want you to tell me what those pictures are. So what is this picture of? Raise your hand. What's your name, son? For real? What's that a picture of?
In space.
Okay, and he's called what? Starts with an A. He's an astronaut, all right? And he's over what planet, everybody?
Earth.
Right. And who knows what these are? Raise your hand. Miss Cam. Okay, rocket ship, but it's a specific name that they use in the NASA space program. So raise your hand, Mr. King. Space shuttle. And those are 3 pictures, and this is a real picture of the space shuttle going on. Next question I have is, well, I ain't go over the first one. What is the blue that you see? So I want to go back. Raise your hand and tell me, what is the blue that you see? What's your name, son? Jacoby, what is the blue that you see? Okay, water. Who else? Who gives some other names? Raise your hand, Ms. Richard.
Ocean.
Ocean, seas. That's what you see from far away. All this blue. Oceans and seas. So if you look at the planet Earth, and I think you all can see that, is the planet made more of land or is it made more of water? Everybody.
Ooh, water.
There you go. I answered that question for you. Next question. What is the whites that you see? Let me go back. Look at it. Think about it. Raise your hand. What is the white that you see? Let's look at it. Think about when we outside on recess.
Oh!
The clouds. So all those are the clouds. Okay? And then last, what is the black that you see? Let's everybody say that answer out loud. What is the black?
Space.
Space. That's space. Okay. This says, what is this natural satellite called? And I know you all been going over this in class. So what is this called?
Moon.
Raise your hand. Go ahead, Tanya. It's the moon. Okay, who can tell me what the word natural means on your own? I want to give some examples where you can have, natural soap and you can have man-made soap. So natural soap comes from where? Raise your hand. Think about it. Natural soap. Where do you think it comes from? Freddie,
The
ground, the earth. Man didn't make it. So why is this called a natural satellite? What's your name, please? Shemai. Why is this called? What is this natural satellite called? What is it called? Okay, help her out, son. What is this called?
The moon.
Thank you. This is the moon. So why is the moon a natural satellite? Let me go back a little bit. The other word we're going over is satellite. So a satellite, we shoot these machines out into space, and they go around the Earth, and then they help us see TV, and they do different things. But we didn't shoot this into the out into space. So why is this a natural satellite? Let's not ooh. Go ahead, baby. That's thinking, but that's not it. Go ahead, son.
Because the sun is shining.
He said because the sun is shining on it. That's not the answer, but you thinking. Anybody else? Go ahead, sweetie.
Was that the asteroid?
Huh?
Asteroid?
Okay, asteroid, that's the broken piece of a planet. Let me help you out. This is a natural satellite. Did man make the moon?
No.
Okay, that was made by nature. And so the moon goes around what, everybody? Earth. You all learned that with Miss Okamoto?
Yes.
Right. It's a moon question. It says, why do you think that the moon is called a natural satellite? We went over that because it is not man what?
Made.
Not man-made. The moon rotates around what planet? What's the answer?
Earth.
The last is true or false. The moon is larger than the earth. Everybody, true or false?
False.
False. We're going to read this about the moon. I want everybody to listen as I point. I squeeze the picture of the moon together, okay? It says, Earth, our home planet, is the only planet in our solar system known to harbor life. So you all are about to move on to the other planets because you started with the Earth and the moon. Am I correct?
Yes.
Who knows what this sentence means? The first one I read, and you try to put it in your own words. Earth, our home planet, is the only planet in our solar system known to harbor life. I'm trying to get some good hands. Go ahead, baby. You thinking, but I want to know what this word, what does this mean right here? No, Earth is the only place that's known to harbor life. Somebody else. Go ahead, sweetie.
It's the only planet that has life on it.
Excellent. Let's give a round of applause. I like that. You thank you. It's the only planet that we know of that has life like we are. Okay. Outer space is infinite. Like we can't go as far and see how far it goes because it's so deep in our mouth. Okay. Yes. Let's read some more. All of the things we need to survive are provided under a thin layer of atmosphere that separates us from the uninhabitable void of space. Earth is made up of complex, interactive systems that are often unpredictable. Air, water, land, and life, including humans, combine forces to create a constantly changing world that we are striving to understand. So in this right here, there are a lot of things that happen on the earth, throughout the earth, every day. Think about, give me some bad weather that happens all over the world sometimes. We're going to name some, we're going to call on some people on some different faces. Give me some bad weather.
Thunderstorms.
Thunderstorms, give me another one. Earthquakes, give me another one, son. Tornado, you thinking, give me another one. Snowstorms, blizzards. So that's one example. All those things happen on the earth and living things survive or die. Okay? This is the last thing we're going to do. I want everybody's eyes on me. Yes, Miss Baker, I'm sorry.
I didn't get the answer to Mr. Robinson. I was in his class when I was reading a book about space. I wanted to know if Neil Armstrong is real.
Yeah, so that's a good question. So I'm going to flick back. That's an excellent question. Man, she must have known if Neil Armstrong is real. So this picture right here, this is a picture of an astronaut spacesuit. So I believe it was, and Mr. Davis gets the dates right, it was sometime in the 60s, and there was a man named Neil Armstrong that actually was the first man to walk on the moon, okay? And if you go to the Air and Space Museum in Washington, D.C., and you probably have a trip, they still have the exact rocket that he was on, and they have his outfit, okay? So that's an excellent question. Okay, going to the end of this activity, and then I'm going to turn it over to Miss Okamoto so you all can move into the next part of the solar system. This is what we're going to do. The first thing we're going to do, I'm going to go around and give everybody a group if you're with somebody. So Betty Brenda, your group is going to be two groups. You're going to be the Earth group or you're going to be the Moon group. And I'll tell you what you have to do. So Betty Brenda, you are the Earth and the Moon. You are the Earth and the Moon. Okay? Everybody make sure you listen. You're the Earth, you're the Moon. 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 You're the Earth and the Moon. You're the Earth, you're the Moon. You're the Earth, you're the Moon. You're the Earth, you're the Moon. All right, so all the Earths, raise your hand. What I want you to do is to write your name on that space that says name. On that pink sheet of paper, post-it paper, right here where my finger is. There's nothing to argue about. If you're the Earth, you're in the Earth group, write your name on one of those lines. Do that right now. If you don't have a pencil, Miss Okamoto or Miss Gainey will help you. The Earth, shh. Just listen. You write your first name, last name on the line. What's your question? That's all you do is write your name, sir. You shouldn't take long. Now, if you're in the Moon group, write your name underneath the earth person's name. It shouldn't take long. It's all about following directions. Shouldn't take any talking. Shouldn't take any talking. I'm about to move on. I want everybody's eyes up here when you finish doing that. You can put the pencils back. We won't use pencils anymore. Everybody's eyes look up here. Put those pencils down. If you're all in the 4th grade, I'm not going to wait forever. Let's look up here where my finger is where it says step 1. Take the green Play-Doh. Don't do anything yet. Take the green Play-Doh and make a circle shape and press down onto the construction paper. So when they're all eyes on me. So in the middle of your construction paper, find your spatial middle, and the people in the earth group, you take that green Play-Doh, kind of ball it up in your hand, and then mash it in the middle. Only the earth people, Maggie. Only the earth people. So, you gotta do it like this. I'm sorry, that's all right. It shouldn't take long. Do that quickly. Roll it up into a good little ball, and then mash it in the middle. Try to make sure it kind of spread out. You want it to spread out some. All right, everybody should be mashing by now. All the rolling needs to be over. You should be mashing. Come on, it's not going to take long. We'll make a small model of what we've been talking about. In 10 seconds, I'm going to move on. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Let's sit down, please. Okay, that, just mash it into the construction paper. Leave it there. So, we know the moon is made up more of water or land, everybody? Water. But we're just making a model. So I couldn't find a lot of blue Play-Doh and that kind of thing. So that green is going to represent the earth. But we know the earth is made up more of blue because of the water. And Ms. Okamoto might do something later with that. So now let's move on to the moon group. Step 2. This is for the moon group. So on your paper, up in the corner, I want you to ball up. It says, take the yellow-orange Play-Doh and make a smaller circle shape. Press down onto the construction paper. So you do the same thing the earth group person did. Roll it up and mash it and put it up close to the corner. Do that now. Roll it up and put it close to the corner. And if it breaks up, some of the Play-Doh might be a little old, but put it all the Play-Doh together the best you can and roll it up. You got to ball it up the best you can. Roll it together. Roll it together just like playing with clay. And then you're going to mash it up in the top corner.
You've done a great job.
I'll put it so far on the course. Look where my finger is. It should be around right here. You want it kind of close to the earth. Because remember, it's supposed to be able to go around the earth. That's good. That's a good example. Right where my finger is. All right, 10 seconds. We are about to stop. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I want all eyes on me, please. So which piece of Play-Doh or colored Play-Doh should be the larger piece, everybody? Green. What does the green Play-Doh represent? Earth. And what is the natural satellite that is orange, everybody? Moon. And if this was real, the moon rotates around the what, everybody? Earth. And you already learned this from who? Miss Okamoto.